What's up, everybody? Welcome to a brand new day here in Richmond, Virginia. It is 8:47 in the morning, and it's so far turning out to be a beautiful day. Anyways, guys, let's take our day on. Guys, it looks like I'm going in at 5 tonight. Then tomorrow I got an hours 3 to 8. Unfortunately for on Monday, it's 3 to 11. Longest hours I've had yet. Well, longest hours I've had this pay period. Because now I remember I've had 2 to 11 before. But guys, I gotta be working 4 hours. Just under, really. 3 hours and 59 minutes, technically. Either way, I gotta be at work soon. What the heck? There's weird food on my back now, I don't know why. Sun up there. Hi, Simon. Oh, that's not Simon. I thought that was Simon at first. Similar fur colors. Simon's actually a little smaller. Sorry guys, my tripod. Yeah, that is not Simon. Hi, kitty. There's your proof that's not Simon. Simon doesn't have that white nose. You got some really pretty cats around here though. Gotta give him that. Would you take a look at that? It held up this time. This didn't though. I no longer have need of it because I have my knife and my family has a sword that I'm willing to buy off of them. Simon's down there, guys. It's okay, Simon. He's hiding in there. He's still wary. There's a black cat. Yeah. Black cat's now looking at me. But not anymore. But there he is. It's okay. Yeah, these cats are wary of people. All except one person who feeds them, and that where those bowls are. Yeah. Unfortunately, I've got work in about 2 hours now. 2 hours and 10 minutes, so if I'm gonna do anything, I gotta do it fast. Hey guys, earlier I got a copyright claim on my channel again on the 510 motivation and meditation. Don't know why I keep getting that mixed up today. But I can tell you this, when I looked on the site that put the copyright claim on me, the song didn't exist on their site. The song was called Backwater by Chad Chen, but Sound a Picture decided they're going to call it Merlin by Red Eye Distributions. This is exactly what happened with Vine. People started getting false strikes against their channel and it ended up killing the platform. People just stopped using Vine. If YouTube doesn't start paying attention to this, the same thing is going to happen to YouTube. I'm sorry about my little rant earlier, guys, but I had to say something about it because honestly, it's just bull. It's just a bunch of bull. May as well just deal with it or fight it. I chose to deal with it this time, but if it happens again, I will fight it. It was on the YouTube audio library even. So I've got to have a little talk with YouTube about it. And yes, guys, I just broke this thing. There's your proof. And you can now see where it broke. It was in the way of the path anyways. And frankly, I think it's time we start using this to kind of build a dam on this path. This way. We might actually be able to stop further flooding of the path down here. I think it's time to start building a bunch of natural dams around here. The way that beavers do. Using wood. Basically just little sticks, twigs, and branches. Simple stuff like that. I'm really sorry, guys, but I'm gonna miss the remaining beauty of this sunset that's coming. And I'm sorry about that, but I can't do anything about it. I got work tonight, and tomorrow I'm going to work even earlier, so I'm gonna miss the sunset completely. Either way, we're gonna have a beautiful sunset like always. The East Coast is known for that. Got a beetle trying to hide from me. Even though I'm not actually gonna kill it, I'm more likely just gonna try and steer it clear of the motel. Alright guys, the next time you see me, I will have clocked out of work and come home. It is 4:28, so I'm not gonna record any more past this. See you when I get back. Well guys, I can see Orion in the sky again. And by the way, I told you I'd see you after I clock out of work. Unfortunately, I'm looking at hours of 3 o'clock to 10 o'clock tomorrow. And that's PM. So a pretty good chunk of my day is going to be in work. Robbie is trying to convince me to stay longer than I'm willing. The thing is, I will not stay any longer than I have to. He doesn't get it. There are things that he does not yet understand about life and of what working for a corporation can do to your life. Yeah. Still cold enough that I can see my breath. You work for a corporation long enough, you're literally locked in there for the rest of your life. Unless you find a way to establish your own business. Which is what I'm trying to do here. You guys hear that? What the heck was that? was no one in the room down there. I know that because the light's off. When in the past we've seen it on. That was a week ago, guys, that it was on every night. Something's up. I can hear it. Something's going on. Movement, guys. Moving from this direction, yet I don't see anyone. There's that noisy Honda. One that actually sounds aggressive and instead of sounding like a fart cannon. You hear it? Listen to that. Not every day you hear a Honda rumble like that. That's impressive. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'm sorry it was a little unentertaining again. Even so, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and also don't forget to turn on post notifications. That way you can all be notified of every new video posted on my channel. Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed your day, and I will see you next video.